there comes out and sings a silly song. Bob the tomato, unable to sneeze, visits the sneeze doctor.
Please, can someone help me? I need a sneeze.
Wait for the sneeze, doctor. Just let me see. We'll be right with you.
Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Don't hold it in. Just be sure that you cover your mouth with a tissue. I will assist you. Sneeze all your troubles away at up to 150 miles an hour.
Interesting fact. The average sneeze travels at a rate of about 100 miles an hour. In 2003, Dirk Everett of Erfurt, Germany, clocked at 150. Way to go, Dirk.
I think I have a remedy, perhaps in my potpourri.
I bought it from
A merchant in
Spain. For not to make
satisfaction, allergic reaction, deep breath.
In the house you
Can
can
play
play at the sun. Here's some
pepper. Let's see, I'm out. Try this gather.
Don't be afraid.
Set it free. Let it go. Go. Go, 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 go.
Interesting fact. The Pharisees' reflex of sneezing when it's fast to bang like it's a dental trail found in 25% of the population, including Dirk.
Spain!
Which interesting means good health in German. Yeah.
Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Sneeze on your neighbor. Do them a favor. Offer them coffee and something. Salt on your french fries. Soon you'll realize.
This has been Silly Songs with Eric. Tune in next time to hear Dirk say,
Ich bin ein
very good.